Okay, good day viewers. Today we are with a vector question. We are using our calculator to get the direction vector, direction cosine of vector A plus vector B. Now we'll be using a calculator with function 991 plus. Okay, so this is our vector A and vector B. So the first thing we do is that we store our value. You press shift and you press 8 to get your vector. So vector A, which is number 1, you can watch my first video so you know how to do this. Vector A, and you choose this 3 coordinates. So our I has a coefficient of 1. That's a spiritual one here. Now this I has a coefficient of 1 equals to our J has coefficient of positive 2, and our K has a coefficient of negative 3. So this will be negative 3, and you press equals to. Okay, then you press AC this here. Then next you do is press shift 5 and you go to 2 for your data, number 2. Now for your vector B, you press 2 also. Now this, you are going to choose number 1, which is 3 coordinates. So for your vector 2, the coefficient of I is 2, and you press equals to. Okay, the coefficient of J is positive. The coefficient of J is positive 1. So you press 1 equals to, and sorry for that, the coefficient of K is also positive 1. Then you press 1 also equals to. Okay, now you press your AC to cancel them. Now the first thing we need to do, find the direction cosine of A plus B. First thing we do is that we add A plus B. Now to add A plus B, what you do is you press shift 5, you call on vector A, which is number 3, and plus shift 5 your vector B, which is number 4, and you do equals to. Now the sum of vector A and vector B, A plus B is equals to 3I. Then the next one is 3J. This is positive 3J, and the next one is negative 2K. Okay, this was the answer we get. This is the answer we got when we add A plus B. To get the direction cosine, what we do is that this vector here, we find its magnitude. We find the magnitude of this vector. All right, now to get the magnitude of this vector, we are not to waste our time, you just do magnitude of our new vector. Let's call this our new vector. Vector C is equals to 3I plus 3J minus 2K. The magnitude of vector C is equals to the square root of all this, that is 3 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. So we ignore the negative signs. Okay, so this will be the square root of 9. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 3 times 3 is 9, the square of 3 is 9, and 2 times 2 is 4. So 9 plus 9, that is 18. 18 plus 4, that is 22. That is the square root of 22. Now to represent this answer, use your answer in form of direction cosine. It will be your vector C. Form of direction cosine will be 3I all over root 22, comma, then the next one is, this is J. Next one is 3J all over root 22, comma, and then the last one is negative 2K all over root 22. So it is to get this direction cosine, it is equals to the vector all over the magnitude of the vector. That is what we did here. If not that we are to add, if we are just to get the direction cosine of vector A, we are just going to take vector A how it is, find the magnitude, and just divide it by the square root of the magnitude. So that is how you get direction cosine of any given vector. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful.